my lovely people, welcome back to my channel again. Thank you so much for your support on this channel. God bless you all. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be making abacha. Abacha is a local it's called African salad, right? So it's a local delicacy eaten in the eastern part of Nigeria. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make it. So this is like a typical Nigerian local food, you understand? And also I'll give you tips on how to prepare your own, on how to make your pomo to come out nice and tasty in the mouth. Okay, so let me introduce you to my ingredients. So I'm going to start from introducing the abacha, which is the main ingredient. So this is made from cassava. I have a video on how to process this. I'll be linking the video down in the description box, so you can go check it out if you live in diaspora and want to process your own abacha. As long as you can get the cassava root, you can as well process this. I did this myself, so this is like the main ingredients. I have pomo. This is cow skin. I have some I have beans, brown beans. Okay, now the beans is optional. If you want to add beans, you can add, but other than that, you can just use the rest of the ingredients I'm introducing in this video. So I have red oil, of course it's a must. I have salt to taste. I have black pepper. You can make this at home also. You can buy this dried paprika and you fry it at home. And I have this crayfish there. I have this ogiri. See, I've never tried using ogiri feather to make abacha before, but I saw a video of somebody using this ogiri, so I was like, okay, why don't I give it a try to see how it will taste. But the lady said the ogiri gives it a unique taste, so I want to try it in this abacha. And I have no cube. Inside this container is my potash, akamu in Igbo. I have, okay, now this is for my pomo, right? So I have I've just diced some onion and some tomatoes. So let's start off with the cooking. I'll start off by soaking this abacha. See, I like my abacha to be soft. Some people like it not too soft, okay, but I like mine to be very soft. Okay, that is best way to enjoy the abacha. Okay, so you have to soak it in hot water till you get that thickness you are looking out for. If you want it soft, you can leave it longer in the hot water, or better still, you can boil it for like 2 to 3 minutes. If you want it normal, you can just soak it in hot water and take it out, strain it out. Okay, so I'll start off by preparing this now. So I've just placed my hot water to boil, and by the way, I've cooked this pomo, so I'll go ahead to prepare it now. So I've added in my red oil. You can use this thing. You can use groundnut oil to fry your tomato, but I want to use red oil. So I won't be allowing I won't allow it to bleach. I'll go ahead to add the onion and the tomato. And I'll add in some red pepper also. I want it pepperish, so I'll add a lot. The hot water is ready. I'm going to be adding it into the abacha. This is to make it soften. I'll cover this up and keep it aside. Back to my pomo. So this is going to be like my pomo sauce. So I'll be adding the cube, the Maggi cube, chicken cube, or whatever you call it. Just half of it. And a little bit of salt. Add salt to your taste. Then I'll stir this up. So guys, I'll go ahead to add my pomo now. So this is how you can prepare your pomo cow skin for your abacha. So I'll take down this from the heat. It has softened a little. Yeah, it's soft now, and I'm going to strain it. So guys, mm, let's make our potash. That is, it's called incha for the abacha. So I added some of the potash, not much, so you don't purge. Stir this up. You have to stir this vigorously. You can see the oil is beginning to thicken. Still stir it up. You can see how it looks now. I'll add the Maggi cube. And I'll stir this up. So this is called Abacha. If you are from Enugu State, you know what this is. I'll go in with my pepper, my black pepper. not too much. Then I'll add in my abacha. Stir this up. Then I'll go in with my beans. But this beans part is optional. If you want to add, good. If you don't want to, you can just serve your abacha like this. I'll add my crayfish now. And a little bit of salt. You can as well test it to check for salt if you still need to add more salt. So I'll be testing it now. Okay. As you can see, this abacha is so rich. This is a typical Enugu abacha. By the way, I'm from Enugu State. Let me know where you are watching me from. I'm from Enugu State, Nigeria, Ogu precisely, Ogu local government. Let me know from which part of the world you are watching me from, okay? Thank you so much for always supporting me. God bless you. Please do not leave without subscribing and sharing our videos, alright? You can see this abacha is so rich. This is typical of Enugu abacha. If you are from Enugu, you know what I'm talking about. So the abacha is ready. I'm going to be serving it now. So guys, this is the end result. Just tell me, don't you feel hungry right now? Don't you? So please subscribe for more videos, okay? Thank you so much. I really appreciate you wherever you are watching me from. God bless you, okay? And see you in my next one. Thank you.